welcome back to my channel. To those of you that are new, I'm Queen, and in today's video, you guys, I have some very exciting news. I have officially enrolled in an online makeup academy. So first, I do want to say a special thank you to Online Makeup Academy for partnering with me on this video. They were also kind enough to also give me a discount code to anyone that may feel at the end of this video that this is something you'd like to do as well. I'm gonna put that up on the screen here. So the discount code is Queen100 off. I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description box for the actual website, as well as my discount code as well. For the people that have been here, you know that this is in such alignment for me, because people are always asking me, are you a makeup artist or anything like that? And I'm like, nope, I just love doing makeup and I love all things beauty, but I've never professionally done makeup. When they contacted me, I said, this is in such alignment, and yeah, I want to do it. So I'm really excited about becoming a certified makeup artist, and I just thought it would be really nice if I just shared with you guys my journey so far, my experience with the course. I know some of you are probably saying like, well, what makes this so special? Because we already have YouTube, where you could go on YouTube and just find whatever it is you want to learn. You could pretty much find it on YouTube. But the thing about that is that you're right, you can. But there's one thing to go on YouTube and just find like an enthusiastic as myself who just loves showing people these things and their personal technique that makes their outcome of a look well. And it's a difference between a professional showing you the correct way to do things, or things from a professional standpoint that if you wanted to do this professionally, you know, the price goes up and you can actually make money off of it. So, and also just knowing how to do things the correct way. So that was like one of the benefits that I feel this course does offer you. For example, like for me, I chose the Elite Career Path course because it just covers so many different trainings. For example, you get to learn like natural makeup, glam makeup, bridal makeup, and also editorial makeup. It's just certain things that I want to see, techniques from a professional standpoint. And I just also feel like you can always improve. They also do have like optional like homework assignments that they give you that you're allowed to turn in and then receive feedback from an online tutor. Every first Wednesday of the month, they do these lives where they give you information like on career paths, and also where you can ask more in-depth questions. I haven't quite got to the end yet because it takes between 8 to 12 weeks to complete the course, because you could just do things at your own speed, but they predict like 8 to 12 weeks to complete the course. But so far, I'm just really enjoying my experience. At the end of this whole course, you do receive your certification to be a pro makeup artist, which I feel like is so exciting. So like I said, I haven't completed the course completely, but as far as what I've seen so far, one thing that really stands out to me about this company is that they really provide so many detailed tutorials, from sanitation to the techniques. Everything is so detailed, and I'm a detailed person, so I really appreciate that. And it makes me feel like I'm gonna walk away with knowledge that I may not have had. Even if you know something, you're gonna walk away from it with something. That's what I've already seen so far, even though I haven't completed it, and I really do appreciate that. So honestly, overall, I'm just excited about finishing this course with Online Makeup Academy, because I really truly love beauty and I love doing makeup. And I'm just really excited to see where this will take me. It's not like I know for sure that I want to be a makeup artist, but I love just all things beauty to the extent that just getting the proper education behind it is just so exciting. And everything with this has been so detailed. And like I said, I'm a very detailed person. So I just love how everything has been going for me so far. So far, the experience has definitely been amazing. I feel like they're there to help you along the way with questions. Like I said, they do give you the live every first Wednesday of the month to ask questions, and they'll give you advice on career paths and those sort of things. So all those things are helpful with your journey. So another thing that I would say that I really appreciate from this course is, like I said, just the care of details that these instructors and tutors are putting into this, and how they put this academy together to just basically give you step-by-step detail of how you should be doing things. Just different techniques. You could personally know how to do something your way, but there's this professional way of doing things, and they will show you that. as well as they share with you like certain professional makeup products and just things that professional makeup artists like to do. That to me, I'm like, I like that. So if you've been thinking about taking your makeup skills to the next level, or if you're someone who wants to be a certified makeup artist, or if you're someone who you don't even know how to do makeup at all, but you want to learn from a professional makeup artist, then I would definitely say definitely check out Online Makeup Academy. So like I said before earlier in the video, I will have the link down in the description for the website as well as my discount code. So be sure to check that out as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more questions, please don't hesitate to leave it down in the comments. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.